Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice Like a Pro. So we're going to have a look at the intro to London Calling by The Clash today. It's got a great little muted part using these mini bar chords. I think it'd be really good fun. So before we get going, please like the video, subscribe, it really helps the channel and helps me bring what I do to other people. If you could do that, that would be amazing. Right, so this is what we're going for today. So you can see it's short, sharp stabs using an E minor and an F chord. And the Clash do use bar chords, A-shaped bar chords for this, but to make it more accessible, I want us to have a go at these little Nile Rodgers-y style chords. I still think there's something that can be learned in it. So we're starting with an E minor chord, which is 7th fret on the high E with the index finger, 8th fret on the B string with the middle finger, and 9th fret with the ring finger on the G string. And what you're going to do, I want you to hit those treble 3 strings with a short, sharp stab. But notice, after the first chord, you've got that little 7. Now that's called a quaver rest. And what that means is, as soon as you've played that chord, I want you to relieve the pressure on the strings to kill it. Now you can hear the reverb from my amp tailing off. But what we don't want is, we don't want the notes to bleed into each other. We want short, sharp stabs. And we're going to do 4 of those. Now, I'm using my ring finger to mute the D string ever so slightly. I'm literally just touching it. And I'm muting the E and the A string with my thumb. You don't have to do that. You can have your thumb on the back of the neck, but you just need to be a little bit more precise with your pick. I'd say aim for the B and the high E strings, and you're probably going to catch that G as well. It's not an exact science, but you're going to have to sit on it for a little bit. We want 4 of those. If you want to take a screenshot of that to work on, be my guest or pause the video. And if you're ready for the next chord, we're going to move everything up a semitone to F, but because it's a major chord, the shape's going to change ever so slightly. So with the index finger, we've got fret 8 on the high E. Now I like to use my pinky on the 10th fret of the B and then my ring finger on the 10th fret of the G. I think that sits a little bit better. I wouldn't do it like this if I were you. I wouldn't do it like that. I'd do it like that. And again, you can use that ring finger for muting the D string if needs be. And it's exactly the same technique. Short, sharp strum and then relieve the pressure, but not so much that you're letting go of the string. Let's just do a close-up of that. Now can you see my fingers moving? Now what I'm not doing is I'm not playing the strings and then letting go. Your fingers shouldn't leave the strings. It's just literally relieving enough pressure to stop the note from sustaining. And whatever speed you want to practice this at, it's completely fine. It's more the left and the right hand coordination that I want you to practice. This bleeds out not just into Clash, but you can use it for funk and soul, playing even stuff like John Frusciante, Red Hot Chili Peppers, you know, that sort of... You're using fingers to mute all the other strings, but it's these short, sharp bursts followed by rests that make it sound as cool as it does. So... just a cool little thing that I come across in my lessons this week that I thought would be some help to you. If you enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments. If you're struggling with anything, please do let me know. I do try to respond to everybody. Until I see you next time, keep practicing like a pro. Cheers.